Hello everyone. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Black color, red color. The next one is blue color. Now we use green color. And the last one is yellow color. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we use black color. And now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for doll, D for dog. Now we draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for God. The next one is H. Now we use red color. Kids, now we draw H. H for hand. And the next one is I for ice cream. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. L for lion, and the next one is M. M for moon. Kids, now we use blue color. Now we use blue color and draw the letter of N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. We again use blue color. Now we draw the letter of P. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen. We again use blue color. Now we draw R. R for rose. Kids, now we use green color and draw the letter of S. S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger. Now we draw U. U for umbrella. And the next one is V. V for van. Now we draw W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for X-ray. We again use green color. Now we draw Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.